Hello students, today we're going to see about the lesson actually. Last class we seen timeline and then before that we seen after that we seen constitution and geography somewhat outline around. From today we're going to start the first lesson history, the Vedic culture in the North India and the megalithic culture in the South India. So in related to the North India we're going to see about the Vedic culture. In the South, about the South India we're going to see about the megalithic culture. Okay, next one. First we're going to see about the Vedic age. So the new era actually, the called Vedic age. After the Indus civilization, the new period was started. That period will be called as a Vedic age. That period was started from 1500 up to 600 BC. We can tell is a Vedic age. Okay, so from which time the we will call it as a Vedic age means when the Aryans are entered, arrived in our India, no, at that time only, from that time only, we are all telling it will be called as a Vedic age. Period 1500 BC to 600 BC. Okay, who were the Aryans? First question we have actually. The Aryans were the Indo-Aryan language speaking semi-nomadic pastoralists. Okay, they are all the language of the people, Aryans people is Indo-Aryan language, and they are all nomadic people. Okay, and they're all cattle, their occupation is cattle rearing and the agriculture, doing agriculture. They came by the way of Khyber Pass of Hindu Kush mountain. By that way only they entered into our India. Actually their occupation is cattle rearing. The occupation is cattle rearing. So because of that they need most of the places for maintaining the cattle. So based on that they moved from one place to another. By that in that way only they entered into our India. In that way only they entered into our India. Okay, by the way of Khyber Pass of the Hindu Kush mountain. Okay, cattle rearing was their main occupation, and practiced slash and burn agriculture is very important two mark actually. Slash and burn agriculture is a very important two mark. Don't forget that. What's the slash and burn means? When they are moving from one place to another, that places will be completely forest, completely forest. That all will be cleared, slash, and it will be burned. After that, they will use that place for doing agriculture. Okay, very important two mark. Next one. How they lived in our India. Okay, actually, they're all Italians of the Rigvedic period were semi-nomadic, semi-nomadic. So they will stay in 6 months or 1 year maybe based on the time. After that, they will move to some other places. And actually, the homeland of the Aryans, when they reached, no, they lived first at the place of Punjab only, up to 1000 BC. And after only they started to move eastward. Around 1000 BC, Aryans moved eastward and settled in Indo-Gangetic plain. So, based on this only, um, what is it? Aryans Vedic age will be divided into two. First part will be early Vedic period. After later, when they all lived in the time in the place of Punjab, no, that all will be yearly. When they reach the Indo-Gangetic plain, no, that places all will be uh, that period will be all later. Okay, actually the Aryans are followed Vedas. Four Vedas is there: Rig, Yajur, Sama, Atharva. Nowadays also who are all the Hindus, they followed the some cultures and traditions, mantras and pujas and no. That basic was started from these Vedas only. Rig, Yajur, Sama, Atharva. Okay. So from where all we are getting this information like that we seen means uh, from literature we are getting, from some architecture, from some of the inscriptions like that we are all getting. So first we are going to see about the literatures. Shrutis and Samritis. That literature is also divided into Shrutis and Samritis. Okay. Shrutis was comprised four Vedas actually. Rigveda, Sama, there is it compressed only Shrutis. They're all the Brahmanas, Aranyas, and Upanishads. These all will be there. The written statement will not be there. So from one generation to next generation, that messages, that thoughts all want to transfer means by the way of listening only they can transfer that. So writing methodology was not followed in the Shrutis, in the literature. Okay, but Samritis is there, no? It's completely text. The body of text containing teaching. Idigasas, Puranas, Tantras, Agamas, mantras, everything was written statement we have. So that kind of Vedic following will be Samritis. Samriti means definite and written literature. Basic concept, what does it mean? Shruti means the written content will not be there, but Samriti means written content will be there. That's a concept. Okay, so today enough. What are the things we seen about the starting of the Vedic age? Period 1500 to 600 BC. So yearly Vedic period will be up to 1000 BC. Later Vedic period from 1000 to 600 BC. That will be divided into yearly Vedic period and later Vedic period. Map also is there. I will send the PDF in that picture. PDF or picture, anyone. In the picture you can see the India map. Later Vedic period, all the areas all will be in near to Gangtik plain. Yearly Vedic period near to the Punjab. You can see in the map. Okay, so that's it about today's class. So understand that properly and finish your work on time. Okay, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.